talking to a pioneer couple in the media industry, Ramesh and Veena Murarka. Tell us how you started. How many years has it been?
It's been about close to 36 years now.
36 years. I didn't think you were that old anyways.
I have people coming to me saying they grew up on India West, so you can imagine.
Oh, tell us how you started, what your vision was, where you see India West today. Week after week, you're delivering such powerful content. How do you stay on track?
Thank you, thank you. I can take that. Many years ago, I'm actually a civil engineer by profession, and Jagmohan Mundra, who's now become a filmmaker, was an electrical engineer, and we met and we said, yaar, maza nahi aa raha. You know, he wasn't enjoying being an engineer, I wasn't enjoying, so we said, let's start a business. So we started showing Hindi films at a rented theater in Los Angeles, which was, I think, Miralta Theater. So the first couple of movies we showed, we didn't get enough of an audience. So we had a meeting at his apartment, and we figured out what's wrong. What's missing is the media. There was no way to reach out to the people in Los Angeles to tell them that, hey, we are showing a movie, come see us. So that meeting, he just pointed to his wife, Chandra, and said, honey, you start a radio program. He pointed to Veena and myself, hey, you two guys, you're from Stanford, go ahead and start a newspaper. So as flippant a comment as that was, that's really what led to the birth of India West.
At that time, I'm sure there weren't that many Indians, so it must have been a big decision for you to start a media surrounding only Indians when you did not have that kind of an audience as opposed to today. So
Correct.
Tell us how you took that leap.
Well, we just went in the water.
We just plunged into it, thinking that the community is obviously going to grow. There was a void in the community as far as media was concerned. There was nothing like that for us or for the community to unite in any manner whatsoever. And we thought it would be a good opportunity to get into the space. And we just did that.
Now, you're coming to Thai for many years. You've seen it change, evolve, become better as I see it every year. Tell us what goes through your mind when you come to events like this.
Well, the very first meeting that Suhas Patil, AJ Patel and all organized to brainstorm, it was at a Chinese restaurant in Milpitas, I think. And they just called me, they called her, said, we want to pick your brain, and we have this concept of creating an organization for entrepreneurs to come and meet. We'll mentor them and we'll guide them. We are successful, we want to show them the guiding light. So I was at that meeting. I had not even begun yet. So I met Suhas just now actually, and I told him, you were responsible, you started this, and look where it's become now.
I think they've been very successful. I think they've been a big boost to the community, to the youngsters who want to become entrepreneurs. And I think that was their whole goal. I think they've really achieved the goal, especially by opening so many chapters worldwide, not just in the United States. And I think they've really succeeded in what they set out to do.
I believe today marks another landmark for both of you. What is it? Do you want to talk about it, or it's too new?
Well, everybody here we've run into has been saying, so when are you guys moving to the digital platform? And I said, I'm surprised you asked. Today is the day. So we've launched our digital edition today. And we're on the verge of launching a new portal. It's going to be a massive
Now tell us what that means, digital version. It's online, everybody can access, they have to sign up. Walk us through the...
Yeah, you have to sign up. I mean, right now we're just going to experiment with it a bit till we fine-tune it, but it will be basically exactly the same thing as getting a newspaper, except it will be online. It will be on your iPad, it'll be mobile.
Is it going to be the full version of the
full
paper?
Version, yes.
As is, it's a replica of the print edition. It actually even flips page by page. So I'll send you a link.
So if someone was already subscribing to the paid newspaper and does not want to receive the paper anymore, can move to digital?
Yes.
Is it monetized? Does one have to pay for it?
Today is the first day. So
good. I am going to sign up, and I'll put my comments.
Okay. Thank you.
So we'll send you the link, then we'll love to get your feedback.
Put Women Now there too.
Okay. You got it.
Thank you.
Okay.